Good day, everyone. I'm Wella Rose Silvestri, Betalid HE2. My topic is the continuation of Miss Trinidad, and I will be discuss the welding safety. The welding safety is there have a seven major welding safety. Is first is electric shock. May be caused by open and not properly insulated cable. Workers are advised to regularly check electrical wiring connections. There have a check primary circuit wiring connections and then check welding cable for crack or cut insulation, and then do not put welding cable around the part of your body because what happens when you get an electric shock? It may be caused burn, which are the most common, cardiac arrest due to the electrical effect on the heart, and there is possibility happen to you. And the second one is arc rays. Arc rays can damage both eyes and skin, so wear proper protective clothing and filter lenses. Yeah, there's have a PPE to protect our body, and the PPE that we should use or wear is handheld helmet with filter lens. And there have a three burn caused by light. First is the ultraviolet or UV light can cause first degree or second degree burn to the eyes and skin. Next is infrared wave that is felt as heat. Next is visible light. Visible that we see producer of varying quantities and colors. The next is fumes and gases. Use proper ventilation and position yourself out of the fume flow. Avoid breathing those fumes and gases and use adequate ventilation. The bigger diameter of the electrode, the more ventilation is required. Dangerous powder dust comes from weld fumes filtered during welding. The fourth is the fire and explosion may result from faulty welding operation. Always understand the environment where you are welding and never take anything for granted. Number five is compressed gas must be handled in such a way as to prevent personal or equipment damage. The example of that is the gas cylinders or barbecues, small blow, and the butane lighters. Number six is face and eye protection must be worn at all times in the workplace. This includes safety goggles and full face mask protection. The last is wear correct eye, ear, and body protection. So the next that I will be tackled is the parts of the personal protective equipment or PPE. The first is eye safety shield, flame proof skull cap, no pockets, collar buttoned, handheld helmet with filter lens, full sleeveless, fire resistance gaunted gloves, shirt outside of trouser, no cuffs, safety shoes, and clean fire resistance clothing. Personal equipment or PPE, the observation of health and safety precautions in welding operations is of greatest importance. Your life and that of the others are more important than the jobs you are doing. The next top the next topic is con- this will be tackled by Miss Sidro Merijoy. And that's all. Thank you.